not aware, we're doing a giveaway for a Nano Ledger S. So this is our incentive for you guys to subscribe. We'll be giving it away at 1,000 subscribers.
Right
So
now, you can see Bitcoin's dominating the market cap, but this really isn't what we care about. We care about volume, and I want to know where's the money going. And when we pull this chart up, we can tell a lot of money's coming out of Bitcoin, a lot of money's coming in and out of Ethereum. But there's this beautiful project right here, GAS. And this caught our eyes yesterday. We didn't know much about it, and that was yesterday. Today, we've learned a lot. And if you want to know about gas, you're going to need to know about Neo. So thank you, C3 fam. And let's go ahead and get into projects that we have been interested in. So as we know, we were looking at our Coin 360 chart earlier, and I'm going to do my best to get that back on screen right now. And you can see this was what caught our attention. This is gas. So this is the 1-day chart. Let's go ahead and see what gas has done over the last 7 days. So over the last 7 days, let's go ahead and refresh this. It has gone ahead and down 2%, but still been the third largest player in volume on Coin 360. So what that means, oh, my apologies, I was late to the update. So it's been up 15%, and I don't know if you guys are seeing the screen I'm seeing, but it's definitely one of the largest volume plays in the last 7 days. So that's got to raise some questions of why. What's going on? What is GAS? Well, that's where we were at yesterday. And rest assured, you don't need to know about gas. You need to know about Neo. Gas is just the burning protocol for Neo. Neo is really the project behind the scenes. And Neo is quite the project to be looking into. And remember, like I just said, this is exposure, not education. So you can go ahead and find Neo on CoinGecko. You can search NEO. You can come over here to the website, click neo.org. You can check out the white paper. We've gone ahead and checked out their Twitter and their social medias, and this is a great quick explanation of what Neo is. So here's a quick 1-minute video off of their Twitter page that will give you guys a quick explanation of everything Neo covers. And then that is what gas is used as the burning token for all things Neo and the Neo ecosystem. And we're going to find out why they use a 2-token system in just a minute. But let's check this out right now. So what we have here, March 17th, brand release for Neo. March 25th, the update, Neo is new again. May 21st, Neo Frontier launches. July 8th, early adoption program rollout. July 14th, initial Neo Council member. August 2nd, Neo N3 Main Net launch. August 25th, Neo Frontier Launchpad, 700 participants. Early bird migration governance kickoff. Neo's first Go Smart DApp app on mainnet. August 27th to the Moon Universe. Mass migration kickoff September 1st. September 1st, Neoverse loading. So that's really what we're going to find a little bit out about in a minute too. The transaction fee reduction to 12 cents. Hum swap or 0.12 of a cent. Translate Me Network. Rent Fuse. October 6th, Defina Finance. October 19th, Saffron Finance. November 3rd, Nico hit. November 10th, Ghost Market. November 17th, PolyChain Monsters. November 22nd, Smart Platform. New partnerships with Flamingo Migration and new development grants programs. So Neo is definitely trying to be involved in everything, and it's something that you should look on their socials. They're definitely active on there. But what is Neo? They have a wallet. They also are an entire ecosystem. So over here at neo.org, you can see the migration is open now. Migrate your Neo and gas tokens to the newest version of Neo. You get an incentive to receive 1% Neo bonus for migrating early. You can celebrate by claiming your NFT blind box to celebrate the N3 launch and the latest news from December 2021 general monthly support. So Neo is an all-in-one. It's interoperability, native Oracle, self-sovereign ID, decentralized storage, Neo name service, one block finality, best-in-class tooling, smart contracts, and multi-language. Neo is new again, and after 4 years of stable mainnet operation, Neo is undergoing its biggest evolution as it migrates to N3, the most powerful and feature-rich version of the Neo blockchain to date. So they've been around for a minute. They're not new in this space, but they're a little bit new to the blockchain and to having two tokens. So they explained the benefit of new tokens. So having dual tokens, Neo has a unique dual token model that separates governance from utility. So Neo token holders are the owners of the network and are able to participate in governance. Neo holders also receive passive distribution of the network utility token, gas. No staking is required. Gas rewards are increased for voting participation. Gas is used to pay the network fees, smart contract deployment, and dApp purchases. So it's similar to other projects like VeChain, and you get VThor for staking VeChain. So it's a dual token in that sense, but they have a unique application for it. They also have on-chain governance, a dynamic on-chain council voted in by the Neo token holders. They have global contributors, 2,500 stars, 386 subscribers on the Neo is a joint effort by community groups from all over the world. You can see they're globally recognized and positioned. So definitely a project worth looking into, exciting. It's open source, community driven blockchain platform. It's the most feature complete blockchain platform for building decentralized applications. It enables developers to digitize and automate the management of assets through smart contracts. It also provides powerful native infrastructure such as decentralized storage, oracles, and domain name services, creating a solid foundation for the next gen internet. So as we've been talking on this channel, Neo is pretty much designed for Web 3.0 and to continue to take over Web 3.0. And you can see that it's really quite the project and worth being on. So
to that real quickly. So when we were watching that video that you played, which was really cool, by the way, one of the partnerships there we came across through there, I think you said PolyChain Monsters. So I'm looking at PolyChain Monsters right now. They're actually one of the top movers on the NFT list today, actually. Their last 7-day period, they're up 31.5%. And their little chart is absolutely skyrocketing, just the way the Love Potion token was. So I think there's has to be maybe some correlation on that with the GAS little boom it had as well
yeah,
too. Yeah, not too much else. That just caught my eye. I was literally looking right at it as we came across it in the video, and you said that. I was like, oh wow, well this
yeah.
is spiking.
No,
Yeah,
there's something behind the scenes that I'm not sure the common person knows, and I don't know if we found why exactly this much volume is going in and out of it. But you can see they have the Neoverse. Here's the blind box. You can place orders in. You can go to the home. So the Neo N3 era is here. Welcome to the Neoverse. And so this is more Sifu's world, but to celebrate the launch of the N3 Main Net, NGD is launching the Neoverse, an NFT mint and collection event together with all developer communities. Users from all over the world are welcome to participate. The Neoverse N3 Collector's Edition NFTs are not only invaluable collectibles, but also carry various VIP privileges within the Neo ecosystem. So these NFTs are definitely using the smart contract application behind the process as well to provide VIP privileges. So you can go ahead and check out how to participate here. There's 27,000 N3 element blind boxes in total. You may obtain them in 3 ways. Number 1, airdrop to participants of Neo ecosystem activities. Number 2, purchase from Neoverse official website. And number 3, purchase from Ghost Market. So I believe over here on the original Ghost Market, so this is Ghost Market here, ghostmarket.io, and you can see a variety of different projects sold. But I actually accidentally slipped into Ghost Market, and let me go ahead and get back to our NFTs that we were at. So over here at Blind Box, you can see the unit price is 2 gas. And I believe a gas was, let's go ahead and pull our charts up. Gas currently is $4.81. So for less than $10, you can go ahead and acquire one of these blind boxes. And in a blind box, this is the one I believe is a purchase from the Neoverse official website. So the number 2 is the N3 element NFTs can be randomly opened from blind boxes. There are 9 different types to be collected. There's all of these individual types. We really haven't had the time to go into this. Once again, exposure, not education. Thank you for understanding. Number 3, the N3 Collector's Edition NFTs, the 3 series, 3 types in each series, 3,000 in total. An N3 Collector's Edition NFT can be minted by burning 9 different N3 element NFTs. So this seems to be quite a fun process to get into, a little bit of minor complexity to understand. But I recommend, if this is up your alley, to check this out. I know Sifu will be all about this. We as C3 are fascinated with it, connecting our wallet and kind of following this project, especially a project that, as we pointed out earlier, has a market cap of 1.5, or Neo is $1.5 billion with 75 million. And then we'll go ahead and slide over to gas really quick, because that's where really all this volume is going in and out of. And gas has 20 million of volume on a 60 million. So they have about 30% of their total market cap in 24-hour volume. So they also only have 13% of their total supply in circulation. And let's look into gas and why gas and Neo is their approach for this. So Neo and gas is a 2-token model that allows users to participate in the ecosystem without reducing their stake in the network. What this really is saying is it allows people to stay in a staking format and lock their tokens up for voting and validity, as well as continue to make transactions on the blockchain and pay for those transactions through another token that they receive through their staking rewards. Neo is unique in that it was first public blockchain platform to adopt a dual token mechanism. It separates the rights of governance from the rights of using the network, which is, like I just said, the rights of governance is the Neo token, and the rights of using the network is the gas token. So it also provides a means of acquiring the tokens needed to pay transaction fees. With a total of 100 million with 100 million tokens, Neo has 2 main features. Number 1, the right to vote in elections to determine Neo council members. And number 2, the right to claim GAS or gas needed to perform transactions on the Neo network. Neo holders participate in governance by voting on the Neo committee. The minimum unit of Neo is 1, and the tokens are indivisible. This means if you are withdrawing from an exchange to your wallet, you must withdraw in whole numbers. It also means that Neo is one of the scarcest public blockchain tokens, as it cannot be broken down into smaller pieces. 100 million Neo were generated at Genesis, with approximately 50% reserved by the Neo Foundation to incentivize the development of the Neo ecosystem, which essentially means that they have half of the tokens will be held in order to incentivize or to pay future project developers in order to grow and continue to be relevant in the space. So I think that's an intelligent approach, and that's a bold strategy, Cotton. Let's see how this one plays out for them. The release schedule can be found in Neo white paper. Gas, the Neo network charges gas for operations and storage of tokens, smart contracts preventing the abuse of the node resources. 10% splits between all Neo holders, 80% is split between successful voters, and 10% split evenly among the 21 members of Neo Council. The minimum gas, that can be broken down sub 1 or below 1. There is no Neo staking required in order to claim gas tokens. In order to calculate, a user with 500 Neo would receive 0.44 gas per month for holding Neo. plus they would receive 17.5 gas per month for voting or participating in the governance of Neo. So once again, to summarize that or to clarify, they would be receiving a total of 18 Neo per, or 18 gas per month if they held 500 Neo, 17.5 for voting governance or essentially some form of staking, and 0.4 for holding Neo, period. So once again, all the links to go deeper into this project on your own will be below. And we recommend, if you are interested in anything that we expose you guys to, do your own research. We are far from financial advisors. We are here for mostly entertainment, secondarily education. And this is for fun. This is just because we're all on this journey together. We're here to grow with you. If you have anything that you would like from us, please let us know. If you want us to check projects out, let us know what you want, how we can grow. But we're new in this space. We're the new kids on the blockchain, and we're here to help you guys the best that we can. And we don't know how to do that without your guys' feedback. So we appreciate everything. We absolutely appreciate the love. And hey, even those of you that feel that criticism is more necessary, thank you for that. And that's how we grow. And that being said, I hope that today's deep dive into Neoverse was sufficient for those of our harsher critics. But I also just want to say thank you to everyone that's been with us on this journey. And I feel nothing but blessed and appreciative to be here with you guys and to be able to provide value.
With that being said, guys, remember, stay happy,
Healthy,
and wealthy. Much love, fam. Over and out.
Thanks for tuning in.